Welcome back. Polling for the second biggest phase of Lok Sabha elections concluded on Thursday. Elections were held for 117 Lok Sabha seats and voting for 349 of the 543 Lok Sabha seats was completed with this sixth phase of Lok Sabha poll. Seventh phase of elections will be held on Wednesday.
Voters across 11 states and Union Territory Pondicherry would decide the political fortunes of 2,076 candidates in round 6. Elections were held at Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Pondicherry. Jayalalitha Karti Chidambaram, son of Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. Actor Director Mahesh Manjrekar, activist Medha Patkar, leaders such as Priya Datta and Milind Deora, Mulayam's daughter-in-law Dimple Yadav, External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid, Amar Singh and Hema Malini, Sushma Swaraj, one of the Saffron Party's top leaders, cricketer turned politician Mohammad Azharuddin, President Pranab Mukherjee's son Abhijit Mukherjee are among the central figures in the poll ring. Voting for 349 of the 543 Lok Sabha seats will be completed with this phase, leaving the last three stages. Seventh phase of Lok Sabha polls will be held on 30th April. Elections will be held at Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Bureau Report, Prudent.
With hot summer at its peak, it's time for cool showers. For Goikars and tourists too, one such cooling destination is Water Bandhara at Sar village in Bicholi. But tourists visiting this place face a lot of hardship as there are no lifeguards, changing rooms and dustbins to dispose the garbage. Besides these facilities, tourists also want police personnel to man the sites to control rowdy crowd. The destination is turning ugly now. Here is a report.
This is the gushing water of open-type Bandhara at Sal in Bicholi. For thousands of Goikar and tourists, this is the best place to beat the heat in peak summer. This Bandhara is on river Shapora. One can relax under gushing water and take a cool, refreshing bath. In past 3 years or so, this place has become a picnic spot for families, teenagers and hundreds of visiting tourists. Over the Bandhara, there is a bridge that connects Bicholi Taluka with Perne. But all is not well at this place. The place looks littered with garbage as there are no garbage bins. One can also notice beer and liquor bottles dumped at this site. Visiting tourists say they like this place but lacks facilities that are available along the beach belt.
Coming here has been quite a setback. We had heard so much about it. It's such a lovely place, family spot and everything. We came with a family, there is no changing room, nothing. Okay, you come here, there's so much of dirt accumulated, there is beer bottles, everything. So can I suggest the government have a changing room, have a lifeguard and please ensure that no booze bottles are allowed inside.
Some are demanding police personnel to man the place for safety of women. Especially girls don't feel safe at this place.
Government आणि कितेतरी करपाचें म्हणजे पुलीस बीन अशें दवरपाचें आनी कसलें चेंजिंग रूम बीन आमकां अशें चेडवांक बायलांक अशें करपाचें.
जितली गोंयची सुद्दां फॅमिलीज आमकां हांगा सोरो पिवन जे लोक हें करतात ते बंद जावचें आनी हांगा पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दवरचें आनी एक लायफ गार्डची सुविधा.
One has to be careful while stepping in the water as there are broken bottles in the river.
आता ताका कोणाक भितर देंवतलो जाल्यार भंय बी जावन मरे कोळची बी लागले पांयांक अशें इन्सिडंट जातात रे डे टू डे म्हणून मातशें देखरेख घेवंक जाय.
In past 2 days, temperature in Goa have touched 35 degrees Celsius and there is forecast of temperature remaining at same level for another week. There are all chances that this place at Sal will attract more picnickers and tourists until the onset of monsoon. It's high time government appoint lifeguard, police personnel, place garbage bins and build changing rooms. Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Forney police have arrested 2 persons in connection with fake gold loan at Shiroda branch of Kepe Urban Credit Society. Darshan Korgaonkar and Sushant Sawant were arrested on Thursday. They are alleged to have lent fake gold while borrowing a loan worth Rs 5 lakh each from the society. Police complaint was filed in February at Forney police in connection with fake gold loan scam.
14 to 2014, Executive Director of Kepe Urban Cooperative Society, Shri Paresh Kunkalkar, lodged a complaint at this police station against 29 loanee who obtained a gold loan by keeping the fake gold ornament. Today, upon a complaint, we have arrested 2 loanee, namely Sushant Sawant, a resident of Silvanagar, Fonda, and Darshan Kurgaonkar, a resident of Batin Shuruda. The investigation of these 6 cases are in progress. That book under section 420, read with 120B of IPC.
So, any more arrests will expected in this type of this?
Goldsmith and branch manager, then branch manager of that KPM Urban are also involved, and we will arrest them.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.